Yeah, as I'm sitting there drying my little buddies off, they just got a bath. You never would have guessed if you didn't know. They was just part of something really special, something cool. They're like, oh, I'm just tools, man. They just clean his tools. Yeah, I'm cleaning my tools. But I did something with them. But you don't know. All right, Mom. Love you. Well, Mom, I know that you liked your little channel locks and your vice grips and your C-clamp and everything on your little napkin. Well, I got a goober. I got a big goober and some balls. You liked your picture. Wait, you see mine. It's 27 inches long. I figured I'd show you before I bleached them out just in case the bleach picture didn't work out too good. Ain't he cool looking? I think he's cool looking. Kinda wish he was real. He is real. Love you, Mom. Alright, bye. Look at that. That's cool. I ain't washed it yet, but I just pulled all the tools off of it. That's awesome. That is awesome. That is cool. Hell yeah. Love you, Mom.